Fatal Fatule Neituaso, welcome to our tape number 5, and which is the second tape for preparations to go to Samoa. Ole Altova, what is your flight? Passport? Tusifola. Immigration? Officer Femalanga Inga. The Samoan language, you have to pronounce every vowel. Every single vowel is important. Duty is customs, your bags, luggage, or wato. Efia wato. How many bags do you have? Womawa wato. Do you have your luggage? So ato is more. Literally it's bags, but when you refer to bags, ato, when you're traveling, you're referring to your luggage, which is the same thing anyway. And then we come to the word fear. Fia, Fia. Fear is how much and how many. How much is the US dollar? E fia le tupe America. E fia niu ile se lautala. How many coconuts can I have for $100? 100 tala. E fia e te manawa. How much do you want? E fia le pase se ia pia. What's the fare? How much is the fare to a pia? If you're getting home and you say talofa, most of the time they would ask, o amai oe, how are you doing? If there's two of you, they might ask, how amai olua? And normally you would answer, if you're okay, then you say, olea manuia, faftai, olea emanuia, faftai. We're good, thank you, we're fine. But if you're not really fine, don't my, I'm a little bit under the weather. Olea chingal ulu, I have a headache. Wa ma'ilo manava, I have diarrhea. Because these are some of the things that we might come across. You'll meet somebody who will ask you, oh, na someone affair. When did you arrive? And then you say, na o sao analela. That means I came earlier today. Or na o sao wanane. I came today. Na o sao wananafi. I came yesterday. Na o sao talatu wananafi. I came the day before yesterday. No sau ilevaya sonate ane. I came last week. Yeah. Or ualuane vayaso. It's been 2 weeks. So those are some of the things that you might need to understand. And then the tea. Let's start with the meals. What are we having for breakfast? Oleale tato tea. Oleale tato tea. So the word tea there is breakfast. Unless you're asking, and somebody asked this two meaning. Oleale mea ein waile tea. So it has two meanings. Literally, it would mean, what do we need to drink with the tea? What do we need to drink the tea with? Or what are we having for breakfast? Yeah. When are you leaving? Yeah, Mateo Nane. Oh, we're leaving tonight. Mateo Tayao. we're leaving tomorrow. We're leaving Mateo Talatayao. We're leaving the day after tomorrow. Or Mateo Levayasole. We're leaving next week. Or Mateo Lemasinfo. We're leaving next month. And first, we'll begin with some of the vocabulary and the conversationals, as well as the days of the week. You might need those to answer some questions. So the days of the week from Sunday to Saturday, every day of the week in the Samoan language begins with the word aso. Aso is day. So we'll go Sunday, aso sa. Monday, aso ngafua. Tuesday, aso lua. Wednesday, aso lulu. Thursday, aso tofi. Friday, aso faraile. And then Saturday, aso to'onai. Aso to'anai. O te fia halu I Savaii. I want to go to Savaii. Ma te fia o I Savaii. The two of us want to go to Savaii. Mato te fia usu I Savaii. Three of us wish to go to Savaii early in the morning. So usu is early in the morning. So take the boat, you go to Savaii, and it can be a manuia le manea le aloha. The boat sails smoothly, sail nicely. And then you get to Faletali Malo, which is a hotel or one of those, places that host people. So here's Manea, nice. So it was rough, the ocean was, waves. Or Mamau, far. Timu, rain. If you're preparing to go to Samoa, take your time. You can just go through it at your own time. Yeah, Manuel Avalneya, so have a good one, everybody. Yeah, God bless.